Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add extra boxes to SmartArt in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook, then go to the Insert menu. Select the SmartArt option. We can see here many SmartArt. Now I am select this SmartArt and click OK. Then move the SmartArt some side. Now we can see here some box. You want to increase the box, select the SmartArt and go to the format menu or the SmartArt design menu. We can see here the add shape option. You can add shape after or before. Now I am select after. We can see here we added a shape. You can add another shape. Now we can see we add more boxes to SmartArt easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.